your door, though. Make it go down.
Oga, maybe your bag be this.
Bag? No. Who get the bag? I think so now you be the first person. Let me get down. Enter.
Nah, okay, now that bag.
Oh,
Let me get down.
okay, now you get down.
Yes.
Enter.
Carry and give me. Let me get down. Thank God. Ah. So this is how God bless His own people. Our people always say, "I can say people by ebulela melu, ebulela melu, nanke." Oh, God bless that man that forget this thing. It's like you know how it is to me. It's wait, that's wait. It's heavy. Before I even reach house, all those people that will come here, let me even start checking before they will come and tell me. Wow. Thank God. Huh? Jesus Christ. Huh? No. Hey. This is Ojo. Bad luck. Ojo. John Bosco. This is called Ojo. That guy is a wizard. Hi. So he has told me a sanitation officer. Hey, in fact, dirty. Hell, that guy is idiot. Wherever he is, he will not make heaven. Wherever he is, God, the kind of punishment that will come to him. Hey, whoa! So I'm the one to throw away his dustbin. Hell! So that is how people used to throw away their dustbin. They will enter motor and pretend. Hey! Hi!